Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Tune Beam with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Connected Devices. Now click on Pair New Device and after that open the charging case. Now it should automatically enter to pairing mode. Yeah, we see LED lights here. So we should see our headphones on the list. Yeah, and we have it. So click on it, then pair, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.